Yep. Yes, right next to the reed bed. There's another. Yes. Next to that same reed bed. Yeah, belly's full. It's good. See you, Bo. Alright, what is going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. So today we're out. Absolutely windy day again. So couldn't really think of anywhere to go, so I decided to come through a reservoir. Got the waders on. I'm going to do a bit of wading. Fishing with the fixed spool setup today. Makes a bit of a difference when it's windy. You can cast a bit further and stuff like that. So that's why I've gone fixed spool today. Medium sort of size lures as well, medium and small. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Not fished this place since last March. The water's a lot more coloured than it normally is, but yeah, we're just going to see what happens anyway. Hopefully catch some fish. It's perfect conditions for catching pike. I'm just a bit worried about the water clarity, to be honest with you, so fingers crossed it's not too bad and we managed to pull a few fish out. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, to be fair. Horrible conditions to be out in, but good fishing conditions, so yeah, see what happens. Right guys, let's get wading. 18 centimetre Kofi perch to start things off. That's how it goes. First time using this setup as well. I only got it the other day, so pretty interested to see how the setup goes. New waders, so hopefully they don't leak. But yeah, main thing, I want to catch a fish. Not pike fished because of the wind. I've not pike fished for sort of a week nearly now, which is a long time for me. So yeah, let's see if we can get something. First cast. Oh, it is really coloured compared to how it usually is though. Hopefully when we get a bit further around it won't be too bad. But this bay is usually good at this time of year if it's this coloured. Might be able to pick them out. Could, oh actually, that might have been a fish that. Can't see that being on the bottom. There's no weed, so that could well have been a fish first cast actually. Okay, that's interesting. We'll see. Oh, sun's come out a bit, which is annoying. I put a bit of a brighter colour on because it was overcast when I set up, and sun's out now, so it's probably not as good. Yep. Oh, it's off. That was definitely a fish, that. Okay, they're here. Oh, it just got hit again. That was definitely a fish, that. 100%. Oh, he's just chased it. Oh, I saw it then. Okay. Okay, 2 hits and it followed it. Didn't even pull the rig off that, but that was 100% a fish. My hook sets with a fixed water really poor for pike fishing. So I definitely need to skill that up. Yep. Yes, right next to the reed bed. Yes, I slammed it. Oh, finally hooked. Actually, it feels big on this rod as well. I'm not sure how big it actually is. It feels decent though. Yes, we're on, boys. Missed a couple of knocks. Man, this feels heavy. Ooh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. There he goes. Okay, that might be the ticket then. They might be pushed right into the reed beds. That one properly nailed it then though. Really, really running as well. Really fired up. I don't think it's that big. It's a strong old fish. No, it's not that big. Oh, it's choked that. He has choked that beyond belief. Holy cow. That's an 18 centimetre bait. Gone. Okay, I'm going to put this guy in the net. So I'll probably need to get my cutters out on that. Ooh, that's the first fish that I can't believe how he's choked that bait. Crazy. That's probably why I put up such a crazy fight. Right guys, this pike is mega deep hooked. For a lure, like, you can't, it's an 18 centimeter, I bet you can't even see that, so we're just gonna have to cut the rig on this. Just so we can see where everything is, because that lure is well in the way. Right, I'm just gonna rest that pike for a second. I've got it half unhooked. I had to cut the rig to pieces. It's actually got the back treble in its gut, which is freaking insane for a lure. I've never got hooked pike lure fishing. It's mental. Still got that hook in him. So I'm just going to rest him for a bit because I've been out of the water for a little while. I've been getting the rest of the rig off, and I'm going to cut into that one and get it out. Alright guys, I thought I was filming that, but my camera fell over. But I've just yeah, I had to do some surgery on that pike to get the hook out. Never lure fishing I've ever had a pike take a lure so one of his trebles in its gut. It's absolutely bonkers, that. Such a big eat, but yeah, bigger trebles on lures as well, so it's a bit of a nightmare to unhook that eye. Hopefully that pike will be alright, but yeah, I feel quite bad about that, to be fair. Well, yeah, we're going to get back fishing, going to re-rig, hopefully get some more fish. Hopefully they're not going to choke the baits like that, because that was mad how that one was hooked. Crazy fish, but yeah, it swam off, so hopefully it'll be alright. Get rigged up, get another one caught hopefully. Right, time to get back out and fishing. That was a right ordeal, that. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Never ever go up to pike lure fishing, that's the first for me. Insane. Not even a big fish either. Just absolutely nailed it so hard. Right next to this reed bed. There's another. Yes. Next to that same reed bed again. That hit rock hard again. Oh, these are fired up. Pretty much the same spot as that last one. I hope it's not. Oh yeah, lures on the outside of this one's mouth at least. Yes, that was such a good hit again. Ooh, easy boy. Number 2. Not yet, not yet. Oh yes, I've found them. They're in the reeds today. This one ain't deep hooked. Probably the same size as that last one. Pretty leechy. Pliers on him. Yeah. Nowhere near as badly hooked, that one. Just got a tail inside his bill though. Oh, we got a second fish. They've got some meat on them this year. Normally quite skinny, these fish in here, but yeah, belly's full. It's good. See you, Bo. Okay, confidence is growing now. 2 fish, quick succession then. Same bait. Oof, they are hitting hard as well. That was such a solid boom. See if there's any more around these reeds. They are typically, the reeds are typically a good spot, but usually pick up quite a few in open water as well. But I'm not complaining as long as we're getting a few fish.
One eternity later.
Oh, right guys, about halfway around the res now. 2 pikes, both in the same spot as well, which, yeah, I thought I'd done loads better than that, to be fair. That coloured water is not helping things. Thought it'd be a bit clearer on this side out of the wind, but it's still pretty cool. It's not like mega bad, but normally it's like, yeah, 5-6 foot visibility, and it's like a foot. So yeah, fish won't be used to that. Well, we're gonna keep trying. When I get back into the wind, I think I'm probably gonna stick a big old spinnerbait on or something, because spinnerbaits and coloured water and wind normally work really well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, no idea what that's snagged on out there. Oh, they're fishing super shallow there. Nope, broke it, damn it. I think it's probably time to give that big spinnerbait a go. Pushed through with normal lures and yeah, struggling. This is perfect spinnerbait conditions. I just really dislike using them. So yeah, we're gonna give it a whirl though. I'm gonna try fishing my big one if I can cast it with this rod. It's only 65 grams. Just not very good casting them anytime really, but especially when it's mega windy. Caught the wind nice, that though. Ooh, I thought it was a fish then, or a reed. Probably going to take the spinnerbait off in a minute though. Not had any contacts with it. Not had any contacts with anything apart from them 2 fish at the beginning. But I would have expected if the spinnerbait was the key, I would have expected a hit by now. And I really do not enjoy using it. Maybe when I get back over to where I started, I'll do some spinnerbaiting, but over this fresh water, I'd much rather use a soft bait or something. Oh yeah, I switched back to the Kofi perch. Like, that's where I had fish on, that's where I've got confidence on, 18 centimetre. Yeah, I've not really brought that many lures with me today, so there's either these, the 14s, or, you know, spinnerbaits, which I don't want to really use, so I'll stick with these for now. When I get to areas where I know that there definitely will be fish, I'll try different lures, but yeah, nice size shad like this always makes a good search bait. So yeah, leave this on. Hopefully we'll get something soon, man. 2 fish is yeah, not gonna cut it today. We need more than that. So I know there's a lot more in. I'm just kind of bummed out about the coloured water, because that is the reason why I've not been catching. And I know that for a fact. Definitely going to fish around that area where I started a lot more though, because I know there's more fish to be had there, definitely. But I've just cut it a little early this year. Normally I come to this only really fish here pre-spawn. Catch it right, you can have some really good action, like double figure in numbers wise days. But yeah, I think I'm a little bit early this year. Water temp's way too cold for spawning, so yeah, maybe I'll try again in a week or 2, see if they're on it. There's one though. Just switched back to the Kofi perch. That was out in open water, that. Yes, that was right out in open water. No way. Yes, that hit well hard. Oh, so good using a light rod. Even these small fish put up there. Quality fight. Ooh, very small. Looks better than those other 2. Come here, baby. Oh no, maybe. It is pretty small. Oh, there we go though, number 3. Drop my rod in again. Yeah, that's bigger than the other 2. It's no monster. Absolutely caked in leeches, so they are definitely not getting ready to spawn. But yeah, sweet. Just moaning about how hard it is and I go and catch a fish. So oh, yeah, a little beauty that. You don't normally get a good size out of this place, so I'm happy with a 4 or 5 pound jack like that. So get my reel out of the camera. See you, baby. Oh, look at him go. Yes. Right, that was good. Open water pike. cast back to that same spot, because as we saw with the first pike, I had two in the same area. Nice slam on that again. All three fish that I've had have like really hit hard. But all three of them have had a lot of leeches on, so you can tell they've been sat up. So I don't know whether they've just come back onto the feed, but the ones that I've hit have been, yeah, well on it. They've had decent bellies on them as well. Okay, three landed. Be nice to get up to 5 fish today. I know it's not going to be easy, but yeah, about 2.5 hours into fishing, by the way, now. So yeah, 3 fish in 2.5 hours. Got probably an hour and a half left, maybe less than that even. Well, we'll see what happens. Happy to see that I'm picking up fish in different areas though. And extra happy that I put this Kofi perch back on, because yeah, would I have got that on a spinnerbait? Maybe not. Who knows, to be honest. But this is what I've had 3 fish on today, and I've used other things as well. I only noticed when I was just walking around, I've lost my net. So yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. 100 quid net gone. But it's whatever, I'll buy a new one. It had a broken handle anyway. Can sometimes be a good area, the reds this. I've just dropped in just for a few casts before I make my way back around to where I'm expecting to catch a few. Okay, back exactly where I started. I'm pretty sure I missed bites around here. I'm not 100% convinced, but I'm, yeah, pretty sure that there were fish and not just rocks. So we'll do 10 minutes around here, 10 minutes where I had those 2 fish, and then we're going to call it. It has been hell of a hard day. Got some fish though, in tough conditions. There we go, straight in front of me. No! No! Oh. Okay, at least there's fish here. I knew there was pike here. I was right in front of me, that. And that was definitely a fish. Definitely a fish, that one, but man, it popped off. I've all been hooked really good so far. That one, obviously not. Must have got a bad hook set on it. Nice to get a good solid hit though. I knew that there was fish around here. Even though the conditions are not perfect for him, we still managed to get one to bite finally. 2 more casts and then I'm done. Can't believe I just lost that last fish then. That would have been a lucky one then to get, but kind of expecting one around this reed bed, to be fair. But this is where I had them first 2 anyway. Alright guys, just got back in the car, a little bit windy out there to do the outro, but yeah, 3 fish, missed that last one, and I think I missed one right at the beginning as well, but it's hard to tell with the wind, we don't actually see the fish. But yeah, super tough session, mainly because the water was coloured. I think if the water was clear like it normally is, we would have caught a lot more fish, and it's still really cold. It's a lot colder than what I was expecting today as well. So yeah, but 4 hours, 4.5 hours fishing, something like that, 3 pike, so not easy, but we still had a decent session. All on the coffee perch, 18cm. We did try a lot of other stuff. I fished with a spinnerbait for a really long time, expecting something on that, because it is like mega spinnerbait conditions, but yeah, nothing. So yeah, the way she goes. Probably try get back here next week or the week before. This video will be out after I've already been back, if I'm coming back anyway. For a proper pre-spawn session when it settles down a bit. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Forgot to mention my what my new setup is, but I'll talk about that next time I use it. But yeah, all the stuff will be in the description anyway. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I catch more fish next time, and hopefully you guys do too as well. So yeah, see you later.